Hi guys, we're just going to work out how to upload a product onto our GoGo-Now WeChat mini app. It's a web-based thing, so I'll flip over to the desktop. Here we go. Here we have the login and the login and password. So we just click on here. Give it a minute. Okay, now we're into the back end. Now, I'll put the PPT on after. Basically, we're logging in and we're going to go to this one here. This one here. It takes us to this screen. We need this bit here, and then here is add a new product. So this brings you onto this screen here. I've actually done one previously to speed things up a little bit. So I've added here. I need to edit this later because my Chinese isn't very good. The Muff Liquor Company. I've added the B2B. This is a B2B product. This one is virtual. So we're going to go with virtual. I don't know what this is yet. I'll find out. So that's the title. This is the category. This is virtual product. It actually changes it around if I go from virtual to thingy, so I don't know what this is. I'm assuming I don't need to know. We can add a video URL in there, which I don't have at the moment. So this is the original price, retail price, weight, and initial sale price. So you've got 3 different prices, but we're just going to put one price. So first off, we're going to put this picture here. This is your title picture, and then a brief description. Actually, I've put this in too long. I'm going to get rid of that. Just a brief description. Obviously, I'd want Chinese here as well, but my Chinese is not very good. Okay, here we can add a variant, like a size or a color or anything like that. But this is a virtual product. I'm not going to do that. And then we come down to here, and we add the description. So all I've done is I've gone on to this here, which is Masters of Malt. They're also selling this in the UK. I've copied this into here, and I've just tidied it up a little bit, added to it. I've also added an international brand that is looking to enter China. Enter into China. Enter into the China market. For more details, contact us. And then I've put a link through there, and then I've added pictures. Now to add pictures, we just go here. We can click on here for previous. What the previous ones here, or we can just add our own. What I've done is I've added some already. We can add videos as well, and there's our QR code. For more information, scan our team QR code. And then I'm going to add here. It's simple as this. here. Previous. This QR code. And there it is. I'll just tidy it up, put it in the middle, and that's it. So there's my son. So after there, we come down to the bottom, and it says fixed amount or percentage. And this, I don't know, I haven't got a thing for that. And then it says save. So we're going to go ahead and save. Now, I assume this says something awesome. So I'm just going to click OK. And there we have it here, the Muff Company. Now, this is edit or delete, edit or delete. And this is, it's on sale. Green means on sale. And that's it. I'll check on the phone on the Wechat mini app to make sure it's in the right category, and we'll try the next one. Thanks for watching. So I'm Paul Jolly. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel because I'm awesome. Why not? Take it easy, guys.